If you're looking to add some bullish delta to your portfolio, then you'll like today's cherry bomb, which is a long call vertical in Costco, which has 3 stars of liquidity and an IV rank of a little north of 19 and an IV percentile that's in the 30s. So if you're ready to build this trade out and put it in your simulated or real trading portfolio, then stay tuned. Hi everybody, Neil here again, and there I actually am with option theory, right? So welcome. If you're new, down below in the description is a link to sign up for the Cherry Bomb email list from Tasty Trade, and you'll get all those good trades delivered to your inbox. We put them on here in a simulated portfolio, and we go beyond just putting the trade on. We see how profitable we can be with the management of them, right? Because that's really where it's I think is the trick, right? It's not just putting the trades on. You then have to watch them and care for them. All right, so thank you for joining us, new and old visitors. So let's move on now and let's build out this trade. Heading over here to, of course, we're in the simulated trading portion of ThinkOrSwim, and it's nice to get to know some of you guys that are leaving me comments. You know, I'm starting to slowly learn my audience members here. I got some of them that are young, some that are old, right? This is great. So you can trade in whatever trading platform that you want. But of course, what we do here is test our theories out in this ThinkOrSwim simulated trading. So in the Analyze tab right here, click there, go to Add Simulated Trade, and we're going to be in the September 18th weeklies, which as of today, August 12th, is 37 days to expiration. We're going to be doing a long call vertical, which means we usually buy the call that's in the money and sell the one that's out. So let me just confirm with my email that I have off on another monitor here. Yep, that's right. So we're looking at a 330, which I'm going to left click on the ask, this column here for the 330. That's going to buy me that call, but I want to sell one. Yes, that limits our upside potential, but it improves our probabilities dramatically. Right? Because if you think about what would happen for you to profit with just buying a call, there we go. That's what we wanted. Right. Let's get that off the screen. And over here, we're going to control click on this bid here. And now we have a debit of 263. So you can see we're going to be roughly 50%, you know, in this particular trade probability. So with that, we've built the trade and we move on to where we understand our probabilities of profit, probabilities of losing, etc. So let's head over to this risk profile. Let's set our date to expiration, which if you watched yesterday's video, you saw me struggle with getting this because I've increased the font size to make it easier for you to read on your YouTube screens. If you're looking on your phones and whatnot, it's kind of hard. So set that to the expiration. And we can see our expected move here, and I want this price slice to be at break even right there. So I'm going to hit this and choose set slices to break even at expiration, and we're looking at what looks like here not the best of probabilities, right? So here we're looking at a 47%. Now according to the email it's saying 50%, so things might change at open here. And so I think you might also be gathering that this isn't really a trade that I'm in love with. So here we can see, once again, these Bollinger Bands and your MACD and this RSI. And if you put any weight to those, let's pretend that you do. Yes, we've had a drop. So being bullish in this point is a little contrarian, except for the fact that it's at the average, right? And things tend to revert back to their average. I'd want to get bullish on Costco if it were down towards this purple line, and if this one here were below this line, and if this one here were below that line. So I'm not seeing the signals that make me bullish on Costco yet. But, and I before I get to my butt on this one, I should say, never feel obliged to do these trades, right? However, because we're testing out our theories and we want to see even, you know, can we just take these trades that are given to us and become profitable with them? I don't like the probabilities of this one at all. Seeing that it's better chance for me to lose the money, right? So I'm paying to have a greater chance to lose the money. Not something I think I want to do. But because this is option theory and I want to put the trade on just to see what happens in this case. No, realistically, were this my real portfolio, yeah, I wouldn't be putting this trade on. So I'm curious to hear from you. Is this a trade that you'd put on? Is this a trade that you like? Leave me a comment below. If comments too much and you would put this trade on, leave me a thumbs up. Don't leave me a thumbs down though if you don't like it, because then YouTube's gonna think that you don't like my video, which I hope is not the case. I hope that I earn your likes with these videos. But that is our understanding of probabilities in this one. What's our max profit and max loss? Hit confirm and send over here, and we can see our max profit would be $237. And of course, we'd be looking to take this off when we got to half of that. Let's call it $120, right? And there is a better probability of us making that amount here, right? So there's a chance that we could get up somewhere in here and decide to take this trade off. And what are those probabilities? 65%. So don't forget about those probabilities, that there is a 65% chance that you'll be able to take this off and get your 50% of your profit on that one. So let's put that theory to the test. Let's hit send. That's going to put that in the working orders here for us over here. And what I could do is set myself a $120 alert on this one. So that would be what, 380. So I'm going to right click this, choose create alert, and I want to know when it's the last, and it's going to be $1.20 more than that. So 383. I'm going to hit create, and now if it gets to the $120 profit, I'm going to get a ding on my phone or ding on my computer, and I'll know to sign in and take that trade off. All right, everybody, if you made it this far, high fives to you. You're the best. And if you haven't yet subscribed, would you consider hitting that subscribe button, maybe even ringing that bell, and that way you'll be notified when our trades are when our videos are released. Thanks so much. Until then, happy trading.